one at a time. Firstly, I'd like to say that I am not getting married. I am not engaged. I think that was said as a joke. Karina and Ranbir are cousins, so everyone knows when you go on Coffee with Karan, you're meant to pull the other person's leg. You must have seen in so many previous episodes, people are saying, things about one another, and I don't think they're serious. I mean, these things are said in jest, so no, I'd like to clarify. I'll take your congratulations for the movie, but unfortunately, I'm not getting married. There's no such thing like that. And the gentleman next to you, I'm sorry, I didn't understand what you said. Okay. It didn't take me by surprise, because I'll tell you what happened. Maybe weeks ago, I think it had also come in the media, all of us were at Karan's house. We were just having a dinner, an evening out. And Karina was talking about going on the show, and she told me that I'm going to, purposely say these things, and I'm going to pull everyone's leg. And she said, do you mind? I said, I have no problems with it. I thought it was very funny. And everyone keeps asking me, apparently Karina says if she has to kiss somebody, it's going to be me. So that was the bigger shock. I don't know about the marriage part, but for me, the bigger shock was the romance between me and Karina, which is yet to come.
But Katrina, just tell us...
That's the exciting part.
मेरा imagination उड़ रहा है इस वक्त.
Katrina, just tell us कि शो में करीना किसी का भी नाम लेके रणबीर को छेड़ सकती थी, but why only you, your name?
कहाँ से सवाल आ रहा है यार? हाँ. क्या सवाल था?
कि सिर्फ शो में आपका ही नाम क्यों लिया गया?
Why did she only take my name that she wanted to kiss me? No.
Overall episode if we talk. That you are getting married and उन्होंने गाने तैयार रखे हैं आपके सारे hit numbers पे वो perform करेंगी. Sister-in-law कहा आपको?
I don't know. I'll have to ask her. Listen, see, they're cousins, right? So which means that obviously, and I know for a fact that they often have, I think that also came on the show, someone told me where someone said that, all the information comes from Karina and then Ranbir tells everybody else. So, I mean, everyone was just pulling each other's leg, but I promise you, I assure you, there's no such thing like that, and it was said in jest. So
Ranbir placed you ahead of Deepika and Priyanka in terms of acting. So do you think that statement was made by him out of jest, or is there any truth in that statement? What do you have to say?
I think Ranbir just knows what's good for him. I think that was the reason for that statement. Would I like it to be true? I would love it to be true. I would love that people would think I am the greatest actress. Is that true? Well, I hope to be.
Well, Ranbir believes so, but...
Well, that's a compliment for me because I think he's an amazing actor. I mean, he really genuinely is, I think, one of the best actors. So I hope he believes that, and I hope it's true.
जैसे पहले आपने कहा कि शादी वादी कुछ नहीं होने वाली, तो क्या ये मान ले फाइनली कि रणबीर और कटरीना शादी नहीं करने वाले?
Final, lock this answer.
एकदम लॉक कर लेंगे.
Lock.
क्या लॉक क्या कर दे लेकिन के
उनका बाइट नहीं बना है कटरीना.
बाइट ठीक से बोल. क्या पहचाना?
अच्छा, like that. I am not getting married. To anyone right now. In 10 years, in 20 years, in 30 years, ever, maybe, but not now. I'm so sorry. You look so disappointed. You're like,
he was planning to marry you, that's
Actually,
why.
One second.
नहीं, लेकिन आपको तो खुश होना चाहिए.
Yeah, you're so happy.
Because अभी उसको भी चांस हो गया ना.
अच्छा.
पहचाना आपने हमें. एकदम perfect.
आपने बोला वहाँ तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा है तो वो लाइन में लग गया.
अच्छा, that's okay. Then it makes sense to me.
भैया उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है.